Do you know the famous shoe brand Adidas was founded by a former member of the Nazi party? Adi came from the nickname of its founder, and Das was the first three letters of his name. So in this video, we are going to know three things. First, we will know about the founder. Second, we will take a look at the brief history of Adidas. And at last but not least, we will know some amazing facts about this renowned shoe brand. Adolf Adi Dassler, who was born in 6 December 1978, was a German cobbler, inventor and entrepreneur who founded the German sportswear company Adidas. Dassler was an inventor in athletic shoe design and one of the early promoters who obtained endorsements from athletes to drive sale of his products. As a result of his concepts, Adi Dassler built the largest manufacturer of sportswear and equipment. At the time of his death, Adidas had 17 factories and annual sale of 1 billion marks. The company was founded by Adolf Adi Dassler, who made sports shoes in his mother's laundry room in Herzogenaurach, Germany, after his return from World War I. In July 1924, his older brother Rudolf joined the business, which became Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory. The electricity supply in Herzogenaurach was unreliable, so the brothers sometimes had to use pedal power from a stationary bicycle to run their equipment. Dassler assisted in the development of spiked running shoes for multiple athletic events. To enhance the quality of spiked athletic footwear, he transitioned from a previous model of heavy metal spikes to utilizing canvas and rubber. In 1936, Dassler persuaded US sprinter Jesse Owens to use his handmade spikes at the 1936 Summer Olympics. Following Owens' 4 gold medals, the name and the reputation of Dassler shoes became known to the world sportsmen and their trainers. Business was successful and the Dasslers were selling 2 lakh pairs of shoes every year before World War II. Okay, now here comes the most interesting part. Let's know some amazing facts about Adidas. Do you know 2 brothers were the founder of 2 of the biggest shoe brands in the world? The founder of Adidas was also the younger brother of Rudolf Dassler, who was the founder of Puma, another world-famous shoemaker. Do you know Adidas was founded by a former member of a Nazi party? Adolf Dassler. Adi was his nickname and Das was the first 3 letters of his name. Do you know Adidas nearly avoided bankruptcy in the 90s after the brand had made admittedly poor strategic decisions. From then, it saw a drastic scale up in the business and it's still increasing every year. Do you know the Adidas brand wasn't originally known as Adidas, which is a portmanteau of the founder's name Adi Dassler, but was started under the name Gebruder Dassler shoe fabric in 1924.